Have you ever felt like life hit you so hard that you couldn't possibly get back up, that every door slammed shut and every light turned off? This is a story of how pain became power and how struggles became stepping stones to success. Meet Rayan, a boy from a small village. He was only 12 when tragedy struck. He lost his father in a road accident. Overnight, his world turned upside down. His mother, uneducated and heartbroken, worked multiple jobs to support the family. While other kids played after school, Rayan helped his mother clean homes and sold newspapers in the mornings. The pain was real, the burden was heavy. But so was Rayan's determination. One day, Rayan saw a man step out of a luxury car near the school gate. Curious, he asked, "Who is he?" The answer: "He's an engineer, a top student from this school, now working abroad." Something changed inside Rayan. That day, his dream was born: to become someone people would look up to. Despite financial struggles, he started studying harder than ever. He used second-hand books, borrowed internet at a cyber cafe, and studied late into the night under a street lamp. After school, Rayan applied for scholarships, but got rejected again and again. Each rejection hurt like a wound, but he didn't stop. He told himself, "This pain is not the end, it's the push I need to rise." He eventually won a local NGO scholarship, enough to study engineering at a government college. College wasn't easy. Rayan didn't have the clothes, the phone, or the confidence others had, but he had grit. He worked part-time as a tutor and joined free coding boot camps. Years later, he built a mobile app to help rural students access free education. It got recognition from a major tech company, and they offered him a full-time job with a six-figure salary. Today, Rayan runs his own tech startup that trains underprivileged youth. The boy who once cleaned floors and studied under streetlights now lights the path for others. His message: pain is a teacher. Struggles are not punishments, they are preparation. Don't let your scars define you, let them refine you. Turn your pain into power. Stars can't shine without darkness, and neither can you. This is Dream Rise Stories. Your story begins today.